It is December 26th, 2010, the day after Christmas, and I'm getting some video of El Farmo. Road shut. December 26th, 2010. David can't get the gate open. Watch this wire now, but I didn't cut it back on. I don't think I have any reason right now, but Lucy, 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 Frosty, 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 Maddie, 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 Lucy, 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 Frosty, 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 Maddie, 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 Maddie. Spread it out, please, David, please. Spread it out good. Put the hay up under the shelter over there for him. Snow's still coming down. All right, David, did you put it all? You didn't put it all there, did you? Here you go. Here's a space right here. Be good. So here comes Maddie and her baby. Maddie, 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 Maddie. Come up and get some feed. Yeah, just put that bag all out for him. There you go. Good deal. Wow, Winter Wonderland. Winter Wonderland. And it's still coming down. Doop, doop, doop. It's Mad. Frosty, 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 Frosty. And Eeltail. Lucy's baby. Eeltail. And Lucy Bird. Lucy, 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 Lucy. Yeah. Couple more babies. Some feed. Feed. Feed.